Hello everyone, I am Rahul Hasija. I am graduated from Chitkara University with a major in BE CSE, and one day I was looking for a job, and I got to know about Evision platform and its online job training program. I undertook online job training program which included subjects like ITIL, CCNA, Windows administration, N++ and Linux administration. The instructors were very knowledgeable, logical, and practical about the subjects. And with the help of eVision's assistance, I landed a job in Velocis Systems Pvt Ltd. Once again, I want to thank all the eVision team for this feat.